Hi friends, welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. This video is on the best homemade organic fertilizers that are highly useful in raising seedlings and for crop production free of cost. Most of you know about cow dung. Cow dung is high in organic materials and rich in nutrients. Cow dung powder is rich in minerals, especially nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. It contains about 3% nitrogen, 2% phosphorus, and 1% potassium. It can support the growth of beneficial microorganisms when it's mixed with soil. It can also improve the texture of the soil and help it to maintain moisture. Cow dung powder preparation. In the old style of dairy farm, shed dried leaves or green leaves are used as beds for cows. Still, in many regions, such type of dairy farm systems followed. Because, when they need natural fertilizers for their farm, adding continuous leaves on the cow beds inside the shed. As days passed, gradually leaves and wastes turned to natural organic quality fertilizers. This helps to make fertilizer free of cost. The fertilizers are a combination of cow dung, urine, and leaves. For the best quality fertilizer, you at least need 1 year. As it takes more days, manure quality is also increased. It can be used on seedlings or crops, which is very good for plants' health. Cow dungs in modern dairy shed. Cow urine and dung can be used as manure for farmlands. However, cow dung should not be used fresh. Fresh cow dung also may contain germs and insects, worms. First, it needs to rot, turning into more flexible compost in the process. It needs some storage space to store it. This compost may be in liquid form, so you can't expect this as powder fertilizer. In the modern system of dairy farming system, you have one more option to use cow extract in producing biogas, and it can be profitable. In addition, cow manure contains high levels of ammonia and potentially dangerous pathogens. For this reason, it's usually recommended that it be aged or composted before its use as cow manure fertilizer. Organic fertilizer for plants. Cow dung powder used in growing plants can help to provide all the nutrients needed for the healthy growth of your plants and greens. Adding some cow dung powder to the soil while planting will give a boost to the growth of your new plant and also help in flowering or fruiting faster. How to use cow dung powder fertilizer? Always use dried cow dung only for plants grown in containers in homes or terrace gardens. Unlike farms and open fields where fresh cow dung is added, as there is exposure to direct sunlight, we do not get the same in cities. In case you have a dairy or cowshed nearby, it will be easy to get fresh cow dung, but the process is too tedious. Cow dung powder fertilizer benefits. Cow dung powder can be used more directly to fertilize individual plants. This won't have as immediate an impact as chemical fertilizer, but will provide nutrients over a longer period. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share the video with your friends. And subscribe to our channel, Discover Agriculture. Have a nice day.